liquidity about the savings bank account. Liquidity is nothing but easy to draw. Like it is hard and liquid, we say. No, the same parlance, liquidity is used in the banking terms also. Here, the savings bank account is more beneficial for us in the sense it is highly liquid. Highly liquid means just like that it can be utilized. It can be, we can lay our hand onto that and use it whenever we need it with least procedures, least formalities. That is called liquidity. It is easy to access. So the other form is the like term deposits are not that much liquid. Then about the interest rate, we have maybe heard about that risk versus reward. The higher the risk, higher the reward. Correct. So reward here is interest. Like if you are taking a risky decision, then the interest rate can be higher, return can be higher. Like even in the bankings, you would see nationalized banks and reputed private sector banks give us say 3% only interest, whereas there are some banks which will give even 5%, 6%. So based on the risk perception, the customer will decide if he wants to take that higher interest, even if it is a private sector unknown bank or small bank, they will go for that. But when you want to play safe and you want to invest in a bank which is trustworthy, it has a long standing, then we will go for the public sector bank or the well established private sector bank, even if the interest rate is low. Then Reserve Bank itself is permitting some banks like cooperative bank, they will pay 1% interest more than what other banks are paying. Like public sector banks are paying 3% interest for our account. The same deposit, same period, if it is in a cooperative bank, they can pay us 1% more than what the public sector banks are paying. The main reason is the reach is limited. The cooperative banks are situated in a small place. They cater to the needs of the local population, correct? So to have them the benefit, so Reserve Bank of India permits them to pay 1% interest extra. Similarly, for senior citizens, people above 60, they are live only with the retirement benefits and the interest earned from the corpus which they deposited in the bank. To help the senior citizens to live a decent life after retirement, Reserve Bank of India permits the banks to offer a certain percentage of interest higher than what is applicable for normal persons. Like if for 1 year deposits, assuming that the banks are normally paying 6% interest, they can give 25, 6.25 or 6.5, even 7%, depending upon their deposit requirement. They can pay extra. In nutshell, at least about, if it is 6%, they can pay 6.25 or 6.5%. Normally, they will pay 50 basis points above the card rate for the senior citizens. So, for cooperative bank,